Special greetings, my dear students. In our previous class, we see computer network and its advantage. Again, I am saying network means a two or more computer joined together. Purpose of sharing information or hardware resource is called network. So here, so this is a computer, two or more computer joined together. Purpose of it can share information, or it can share a hardware, or it can share a software resource. So this is called a computer network. If you see this network, we can able to see there is one connectivity. From A to B there is one connection, A to C there is one connection, and B to C there is one connection. This connection, we can say it is a media. With help of the media only data is transferring. Okay, with help of media only we can able to share information from A to B or B to A. So this is called media. That is called media. If we are coming to a media, it can be two types. This connection from A to C, it can be a wired or it can be a wireless. It can be a wired or it can be a wireless. So media, there are two type of media. First one is a wired and another one is a wireless. So these are the two types. We can normally we are saying wired means a guided media, and wireless means a unguided media. So no need to get any confused what is in by guided and what is in by unguided. Guided means it is a wired connection. If there is a network connectivity, it can be LAN or WAN or anything. If systems are connected with the help of cable, so it is a wired. If the systems are connected with the router, it is called wireless. Only these two types are there in media. With the help of media only we can able to transfer data, or we can able to share a software or hardware resources. Okay, so this is the two types. Now if we are going in this wired, so here there are many types. Coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, after Ethernet cable, so these are the three types of cable, and fiber optical cable also there. So these are the types of cable. Wired connection most commonly everywhere we are using. So if you are coming to the wireless, in a wireless we can able to say similar thing. Bluetooth means common things. Bluetooth, after Wi-Fi, infrared, like that we can able to say. So this is a wired and wireless connectivity. If you are coming to the twisted pair cable, already I explained how the cable will be. Okay, so if you didn't see that video, please kindly go to our previous videos and please kindly see this all cables. So these are the commonly cables we are using in a wired connectivity, and these all are the things commonly. Bluetooth everywhere we are saying, and Wi-Fi full form is wireless fidelity. It is very important full form. In examination, we can expect this, except this. In examination, we can expect this full form infrared. So this is only two types of media. Again, I am saying media is used to transfer information from one system to another system. So if you are coming to the media, it is two type. One is a guided and unguided. Guided means it is nothing, it is a wire, and unguided means it is a wireless. If you are going to the guided, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, fiber optical cable. Twisted pair cable also having two types, coaxial cable also having two types. So this is just for your knowledge, you have to understand. Okay, you have to come to know what are the cables, how they all are. And if you are coming to the wireless, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, infrared, these are the commonly used wireless equipment to connect a network. So this is the media. Again, I am saying media means it is used to transfer information. Media is used to transfer information. Our next topic is the types of network. If you are coming to types of network, there are LAN, MAN, PAN, WAN, CAN. These are the types of network we are going to study in this chapter. LAN means a local area network, metropolitan area network, personal area network, wide area network, clustered area network. So mostly this LAN we can able to see in the schools, colleges, and companies, organization. We can able to see this type of network. And a MAN means it is larger than LAN. It is little larger than, means it can be a district. It can be a district or cable TV. So this all will come in a MAN. PAN means a personal area network. Best example is a Bluetooth. It will cover in one room or two room. Okay, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. So this all will come in a personal area network. WAN means a wide area network, means entire world. Entire world means internet it will come. Internet means a network of network. And clustered area network. CAN. CAN means it can be CAN means a small geographical area, means in a district small area, one street or one particular small area will come in a CAN. Okay, so these are the types of network. So in upcoming next video I will explain it little more with more example.